Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Thank you as always, Gani. I would have been late if it weren't for you.
You're welcome.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
How do I feel? Well, that hurt.
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
Red?
Around the fuel.
Tell you what, I'll give you guys a head start. You're gonna need it.
Later, loser.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Vito.
Peace.
What?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it in!
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Look at this! It's my hood! It's my hood! Hello, hey! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
I hereby dub thee.
No, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
This would be a very good hat for the children's snowman. That would make them happy.
Bumper to bumper. McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened.
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
What's going on? That's what I...
Points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season title. And
Started Miss Fritter's Racing School! And I can help you change.
What just happened?
the drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just...
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
Before. It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down for...
Åh, men jag kan!
Kan jag det? Tell her she's on a beach and all the little crappies have gone night-night. No.
Fixed me up, Flo took me in. Now they all did. And I never left.
Of course. All in all, must be finished for good.